As we start our project, go ahead and add the Micro800 simulator. Next, we need to add the input module. We'll be using the IF4 module. It's under Analog, IF4. Then, it's important that you match the simulator to the PLC. So right-click here, Analog. Again, add the IF4. If you don't match the two, you'll find that your simulator will fault out. Anyway, from there, go ahead and connect with the simulator. For our purposes today, it doesn't matter which program the PLC is running. Okay, at this point, we are connected. Go to Trends, and we're going to insert a new trend. For your search, put an underscore, which will bring all the system tags up, and then you can go down at the bottom and you can select the analog inputs 0, 1, 2, and 3. Hit OK. We'll put a sampling. We'll just keep it at the default 100 milliseconds. And hit play. Go ahead and we'll put everything on a single axis. And you'll see not much is happening. We can try with the simulator here, but even when we change the numbers, nothing will happen. Because you have to put it back into run. Because it turns out that the simulator has a 10-minute time frame, and after 10 minutes it defaults into program mode. If you look at the clock kind of towards the middle of the screen, you can see it's counting down 9 minutes 41 seconds. So now we can enter some values into the IF4 module here. At this point, we need to know how large the numbers we can put in. So you might put in 10 thinking, well, the analog to digital converter has a 0 to 10 input. But no, they didn't do that. Instead, you can put in very large numbers. Here's thousands. Here's tens of thousands. It turns out the largest number that you can put in is 65535. If anyone from Allen Bradley is watching this, my request would be to have the simulator accept values of 0.0 to 10.0 volts or 0 to 20.0 milliamps, as that would have been more realistic for the simulation. Well, now that we have these traces, it turns out that we can actually export them outside of the PLC, outside of the simulation, and put them into Excel. This is very useful because now you can pull information out of the PLC and you can plot it and then share your results.